Question number 7. What is an x-coordinate of an x-intercept of the graph of y is equal to 3 times x minus 14 times x plus 5 times x plus 4 in the xy plane? The x-intercepts of a graph in the xy plane are points at which the graph intersects the x-axis or when the value of y is 0. So when the y is 0, that time we will get the x-intercept. So what we have to do, substituting 0 for y in the given equation will yield 0 is equal to 3 times x minus 14 times x plus 5 times x plus 4. So first what we can do is dividing both sides of this equation by 3. So we are trying to find the x coordinates. So to simplify this, first we can just divide both sides by 3. That way on the right hand side we will only be left with x minus 14 times x plus 5 times x plus 4, which is equal to 0, because 0 divided by 3 would be 0. Apply zero product property. Applying the zero product property to this equation yields 3 equations. One equation will be this x minus 14 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now to solve for the first one, x minus 14 is equal to 0, just add 14 to both sides. So you will be left with x is equal to 14. So this is one solution. And let's solve the second one, that is x plus 5 is equal to 0. So subtract 5 to both sides and you will get x is equal to negative 5. So this is another solution. And then the last one, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So just subtract 4 on both sides. So you will get x is equal to negative 4. So the correct answer is either 14 or negative 5 or negative 4. Therefore, the x-coordinates of the x-intercepts of the graph of the given equation are 14, negative 5 and negative 4. So I have also entered the equation in the Desmos calculator so you can visualize it. You have to observe the x-intercepts of the graph, that is the points at which the graph intersects the x-axis. So we can see this point is negative 5 comma 0, this point is negative 4 comma 0, and there is one more here, 14 comma 0. So that's why either 14 or negative 5 or negative 4, any of these three you can enter. So you can see all the three solutions here at the same time, but one of them you have to grid in, not all of them. And if you just zoom out, you can see the graph is just extending infinitely down and then it comes up. So grid in one of these answers, not all of them, 14 or negative 5 or negative 4.